Where is the yellow warbler? You found the yellow warbler. Thank you. Where is the pleated woodpecker? You want the blue jay? You found the blue jay. Okay. Where is the pleated woodpecker? So look. Oh, you found the indigo. Thank you. I'll put it away. Thank you. Now, which one would you find next? You found the oriole. Thank you. Put the oriole on the picture of. Are you okay? Okay. Can you put the oriole on the picture? Okay. Can I have the oriole? Thank you. Where is the... Okay, where's the cardinal? You want another one? Here, I'll give you here. Okay, can we finish? Where's the cardinal? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you done? Where's the pleated woodpecker? Where's the pleated woodpecker? Are you done? If you're done, can we put them away? Okay, can we pack up the cards too? The pictures. No, you have to do that gently, Solu. You have to touch gently. Can you put them gently? Okay. What about, can you bring the other two first? You're not being gentle. Thank you. Be gentle. Thank you. And then I'll put them. Okay, are you done? Alright. Would you like... Okay. Would you like help, please? Okay. Can you still put away the birds? Okay.
Your book.
You didn't close it. It's open. It's open.
It's what's right there.
Thank you. And Daddy can read you your book.
Open and close.